Hi all, welcome back to my channel The Cooking Stories. I am Saloni. Recently I thought of organizing and decluttering my entire house in general, hence I ended up ordering a few products from Amazon and I enjoyed using all of them. So I thought of sharing all of these products with you all. Most of them are kitchen related but are very useful and I'm sure you'll love them. I have linked all these products in the description box below so that it is easier for you to buy these if you want to. So let's begin. First up are these big multi-purpose baskets. These baskets are made up of really good quality plastic and they come with a lid as shown. This lid fits on perfectly onto the basket. I have ordered a set of 3 baskets, so I have got 2 brown and 1 beige color. The dimensions of these baskets are as follows. The length is 30 cm, the width is 24 cm and the height is 12 cm. So as you can see, these baskets are quite spacious and they can be used to organize a lot of stuff. They come in netted design which allow the air to pass easily. The MRP of 3 baskets is around 1200 rupees, but I got 3 for 600 rupees. I have used one basket to store open bags of maida, milk powder, etc. So as you can see, I have secured the open bags using back clips. These baskets come handy in storing all the open bags in one place and hence help in organizing. I have used one basket to store all of my bags, sling bags, etc. in one place. So these baskets are basically multi-purpose and you can use them for absolutely anything. They help in keeping things in place and also help in space saving. Next up are medium multi-purpose baskets. I have ordered 4 of these in beige color. These are also made up of plastic and the dimensions of these are: the length is 20 centimeters, the width is 14 centimeters and the height is 12.5 centimeter. These can be used for home and office uses and help to keep things of one category in one place. They also have a woven net design which allow the air to pass easily. I have used one basket to keep all of the random stationery items in place so that they do not get lost. These baskets can store about 5 kgs of weight. The MRP of this is 500 rupees, but I got 4 of these for 329 rupees. I have used another basket to keep all of my electronic equipments in place, so the chargers, hard disks, mic, etc. are kept in another basket. Next up are these small multi-purpose baskets. I have ordered 12 of these. These come in a set of 6. They come in multicolor and are attractive and sleek. They can be used for systematic organization of small stuff. These are absolutely lightweight and can be used anywhere in drawers, kitchen cabinets, fridge, etc. The dimensions of these are as follows. The length is 22.5 cm, the width is 7 cm and the height is 4.5 cm. These come in a set of 6. The MRP of 6 of these is 699 rupees. But I got these for 439 rupees. I am a home baker and hence I make a lot of cakes on a daily basis. So I use many colors and essences. So these organizers help me to keep all of my colors and essences in place, give me an easy access and save them from getting misplaced. I have also used these baskets to organize all of my fondant cutters, cookie cutters, fondant modeling tools, etc. This gives me an easy access and I don't have to keep searching for things when I require them. Being organized saves up a lot of time and a clean and organized environment helps us to work more efficiently. I have ordered this colorful organizer to store all of my cake materials from Amazon, and I'll be linking it in the description box as well. The next thing that I've ordered is this beautiful wooden tray. I'll be using this tray as an oil tray, and it will hold all of my oil bottles and hence keep my kitchen counter oil free and non-greasy. The dimensions of this tray are 10 inches by 6 inches and the height is 2 inches. It has two handles on its sides, and this tray is made up of premium quality wooden material. Its MRP is 599 rupees, but I got it for 199 rupees. This tray is heat resistant and it adds elegance to the kitchen counter. Next up are these expandable fridge baskets. These are made up of premium BPA material, are lightweight, have a sliding design. These are simple to install and easy to clean. These are a space saver in the refrigerator. These come in a set of 3 at an MRP of 499 rupees, but I got these for 299 rupees. I use these baskets to store lemon, corn, tomatoes, ginger, etc. All these things usually end up lying in our refrigerator here and there, but this basket helps us to keep all of them in one place. Next up is this metal multi-purpose shelf. This shelf is a wall mount type of shelf and it comes with nails for easy attachment. The dimensions of this shelf are 35 cm by 12 cm and the height is 6 cm. It is made up of powdered metal steel and can be used in bathrooms, kitchen, etc. to store shampoo bottles, perfume bottles, spice bottles and so many more things. The MRP of this shelf is 699 rupees, but I got it for 335 rupees. It is rust free, sturdy and sleek. I haven't yet planned on where I'll be using this shelf, but I'll definitely be using it. Next up are clear Ziploc bags. I ordered a set of 2 sizes of Ziploc bags. The bigger ones can store up to 1 kg and the smaller ones can store half a kg. Ziploc bags come really handy in storing vegetables and fruits. This is the bigger size of Ziploc bag. The quality of the bag as well as the Ziploc is really good. These bags are clear, hence we can clearly see what we have stored inside each bag. This is the smaller size. Ziploc bags help in keeping the vegetables and fruits fresh for a longer period of time. They also keep the refrigerator organized and make sure that the vegetables and fruits are not scattered here and there. This set has total 30 bags, so 15 bags per size, and the MRP is 265 rupees. This is how I store my vegetables in the Ziploc bags in my refrigerator. So some green chili, capsicum, lady fingers, some more vegetables, next up are these stackable spice jars. This item is one of my favorites from this entire Amazon haul. These are acrylic spice bottles which have a unique interlocking technology. So basically there is a hole at the bottom of each spice jar wherein the lid of another jar fits in. So the bottles are held securely in place and they do not fall off. The height of these jars is 5 centimeters and the diameter is 7 centimeters. They come with a sprinkler attachment if you store black pepper or salt in these, but you can remove this attachment if you want to. These stackable spice jars are a great space saving alternative to a spice rack. Their MRP is around 1200 rupees, but I got 6 of these for 399 rupees. I am very happy with the quality of these spice jars, and if you want to buy these, you can refer to the link in the description box. These form a beautiful kitchen display, and this is how I have stored all of my garam masalas in these. Next up are these stackable containers from Cello. These have a capacity of 500 ml, and these are also my favorites. It is a really good investment because the quality of these containers is really nice. They are made up of food grade plastic, and they are BPA free and 100% food grade. They have a non-slip cover lid, and as you can see, these jars get stacked over each other and they do not fall off. They are lightweight, stackable, airtight, shatterproof, and they also have a wide mouth for easy access. The height of these jars is 10 cm and the diameter is 9.4 cm. I really liked these jars, and I have used these jars to store all of the masalas that I use. I have ordered a set of 6 containers, so the MRP of these is 522 rupees, but I got these for 449 rupees. Look how beautiful this kitchen shelf looks with all of these masalas organized so well. The last item is this beautiful wall frame which says this kitchen is seasoned with love. The dimensions of this frame are 30 cm by 20 cm. The frame can be easily put up on the kitchen wall using a nail. Everything in our kitchens is made with a lot of love, and this frame is apt for each kitchen out there. This is how the frame looks on my plain kitchen wall. It has definitely filled up the empty space on the wall, and it also acts as a great decor item. A few months back I have also ordered these jars to store all of my masalas, and I'll be linking them in the description box as well. My dad got these glass shelves custom made as per our requirement. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I tried something different in this video and I hope you all enjoyed. Do let me know if you want me to make any other videos like this. Like, share and subscribe if you haven't, and happy cooking, create new stories. Bye bye.